Thank you students for joining us once again in this session, and we will discuss what are the salient features of the Indian Constitution. You have it in civil services, UPSC, you have it in state civil services, and most of the time it is also asked in SSC graduate level and TPSC combined, and the forthcoming RRB's examination. So sir, we will discuss these points elaborately. But you learn these points first of all. What are the salient features of the Indian Constitution? First point, our Constitution is the longest written constitution in the world. Second, our Constitution is a borrowed constitution, borrowed from the constitution of various countries. It is the blend of rigidity and flexibility. It establishes a federal system of governance with unitary bias. We have parliamentary form of government. It is a synthesis of parliamentary sovereignty and judicial supremacy. We have the provision of reservation, integrated and independent judiciary, fundamental rights, fundamental duties. India is a secular state. Universal adult franchise. This is exhibited during the time of elections. Whether panchayat elections, state elections, or the elections for the parliamentary seats. We have single citizenship, not like the dual citizenship of United States of America. Independent bodies, emergency provisions, three-tier government, cooperative societies. While discussing that what features we borrowed from the different constitution of the world, we missed one country, Germany. The concept of emergency provisions, we borrowed it from the Constitution of Germany. I repeat once again, all the 17 points are very, very important from examination point of view. All of you be attentive attending this. What are the salient features of the Indian Constitution? It is the longest written constitution in the world, borrowed from the constitution of various countries. It is the blend of rigidity and flexibility. It establishes a federal system of governance with unitary bias. The parliamentary form of government, synthesis of parliamentary sovereignty and judicial supremacy, provision of reservation, integrated and independent judiciary, fundamental rights, fundamental duties, a secular state, universal adult franchise, single citizenship, independent bodies, emergency provisions, three-tier government, cooperative societies. So dear students, you will write all the 17 points, show it to me one by one, but I hope all of you will maintain a proper sequence the way we have provided you in this study material, sir. All of you will learn all the 17 points and we will discuss them one by one after a week's time. But our next class on Constitution would be what are the different parts in the Indian Constitution. Like when the Constitution was framed, there were only 22 parts. Now why we have 25 parts, and each part consists of number of articles. And then what are these articles about? All these things we will discuss in the next class. So please do remain with us and join us once again in the class of Constitution by School of Science. Thank you, sir.